So hello, let's see the question, and the question says that prove that sin x upon cos 3x plus sin 3x upon cos 9x plus sin 9x upon cos 2x is equal to 1 upon 2 10 27x minus 10x. Okay, so you have this trigonometry equation. So key concept for this question. Okay, so you have to know sin A cos B minus sin B. So that is formula of sin A minus B. So here we have our so here we have our LHS part is uh, cos 3x plus 3x plus cos 9x and sin 9x up cos 27x. Okay, that is our LHS part. So first we have a three term, first term, second term and third term. So first take first term. This is the first, second, first term, and that is let sin x upon cos 3x. Okay, multiply भी किया और मैंने इसमें मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, देन अगेन cos x का न्यूमरेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया और 2 का डिनोमिनेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया एंड cos का डिनोमिनेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. ओके, देन वी कैन राइट दिस implies that 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, and that will be sin 2x by formula and upon 2 cos 3x and cos 3x and cos x. Okay, so after solving this we have here cos 3x पे क्या फॉर्मूला लगा सकते हैं, cos a minus b. Then we have sin 3x cos x. Okay, cos 3x we have here 2 cos 3x and cos x. Okay, so after separating denominator we have here 1 by 2 cos से cos कैंसिल अप हो जाएगा. देन वी हैव tan 3x एंड माइनस इसमें इधर को सेपरेट कर दिया तो cos 3x से cos 3x कैंसिल अप हो जाएगा. देन वी हैव tan x and let's say that is our equation number first. Okay, now we have here second term is equal to, we can write this क्या लिख सकते हैं हम इसको मैंने लिखा so our second term is sin 3x upon cos 9x is equal to, then we have here again we have to multiply by 2 in denominator and numerator. So sin 3x and again cos multiply denominator and numerator by cos 3x. So here we have 2 cos 9x and cos 3x. So after solving this we have 2 sin 6x, 2 sin theta cos theta upon is equal to sin 2 theta, formula of 2 sin theta cos theta, and here 2 cos 9x and cos 3x imply 9x minus 3x upon 2 cos. Okay, so we can after applying sin a minus b formula we can write here sin 9x cos 3x minus cos 9x 2 cos 9x and cos 3x. Here is 3x. Okay, so after separating denominator we can write this tan 9x minus कितना हो जाएगा tan 3x. Okay, and that is our. Okay, now we have to solve sin 9x upon cos 27x. So our third term is plus 27x and again repeat same term, multiply by 2 sin 9x and multiply by sin cos x and upon similarly in denominator multiply by 2 and multiply by cos 9x, and this is cos 27x. So again implies that we can write this sin कितना हो जाएगा 2 theta. So that will be 18x and upon 2 cos 27x and cos 9x sin 27 minus कितना 27x minus 9 upon 2 cos 27x and cos 9x. So after applying again sin a minus b, we have here sin 27x cos 9x minus that is cos 27 sin 9x, and whole upon we have here and cos 9x. Okay, so after separating denominator again we have 1 by 2 and 10 27 and minus 10 9x. So let's say that is equation number 3. Now put the value of 1, 2, 3 in our main equation. So that was is, let's say that is equation number A. Okay, so after putting the value in equation number, the value 1, 2 and 3, 1 by 2 common in every part. Then we have x minus 10x. Okay, x minus 10 3x and plus 10 27x minus 10 9x. Okay, so that will be these all term are cancelled. 10 3x cancelled by minus 10 3x and 10 9x cancelled by minus 10 9x. Then we have at the last 1 by 2 10 27x minus 10x. So this will be our understood this explanation. Thank you and all the best.